just testing out my new camera. I got the G7X Mark II for my birthday, and the first one was broke, so we had to send it back to Argos. But this one I got from John Lewis, and everything seems fine. I've just got a new memory card because it was running a bit slow, and then we realised that, well, I realised that my old memory card in my old camera was about 6-7 years old, so I'm thinking the tech probably needs renewing. So yeah, I got my new memory card today, and I've put it in. Memory card today, and I've put it in, and I've got no makeup on for the first day in about 3 days. On my Minnie Mouse mug. I love this mug. It was with an Easter egg. Oh, just having a cup of tea and just doing some blogging. There I am taking part in the KCA Calls Linky this week. It's Keep Calm and Carry On Linking Sunday. It's my favourite link up. It's so friendly. Franca runs it, From a Moment with Franca. And it's the only link up I've ever done where I get comments back. I've done other link ups and I've commented on 20+ people's posts and not had one comment back apart from the host. But KCA Calls crowd is fab. Everybody really does muck in and comment on each other's. So yeah, if you're looking for a new link to join, that's the one. It opens every Saturday night, I think, and it runs for 2 weeks. Anyway, this is just me testing my new camera. Hopefully I'll see you later with a bit of mascara on. But yeah, I'm very excited for Vlogmas. Yes, bring it on, Vlogmas. I love Vlogmas. I did it last year. Basically, it's a vlog every day in the lead up to Christmas. I do it from the 1st of December. I think most people do. Yeah, so make sure you watch some of them because you can catch me doing all kinds of Christmassy things and get in the spirit. Goodbye.
Wish. Wish. 1, 2, 3. Wish. Yay! Oh. Practicing your steps. Oh, good one. Yay! So it's a really nice autumnal day. The wind is blowing and there's leaves everywhere. This morning we had some really weird weather. It was dark, but it was more like orange. It was like an orange light, and then it was just really eerie. And then this afternoon, the sun went all pink. I took some pictures on my Facebook, Kate Lily blog. You can find me on Facebook. And it's really weird. Never seen anything like it before. But anyway, shortly after I took those pictures and posted it, the sun came out blaring, and now we're just having some really windy weather. Looked online, apparently there's a big storm, Storm Ophelia or something, going over Ireland, so I think we're just getting a little bit of backlash from that in the form of, it's just a bit blustery. It's just making for a really exciting, feels exciting in the air, it's just making for a really pretty day because all the leaves are blowing around. And I'm just walking along the river now. We're lucky where we live. We live right by a river. It's really pretty. And it changes with every season. Right now it seems quite fast. Maybe we've had a lot of rain, I don't know. But this path is all like rocky. It's more like a dirt track. But yeah, we've just been at the park to play. And we didn't have too much of a tantrum getting back in the pram, thankfully. He's doing that thing where he arches and you can't get him back in the pram, yeah, that's about it. I just thought I'd try out my new camera. I haven't really got anything to say, I'm just sort of showing you my day as I go along, just to try the new camera really. So yeah, I'll catch up with you in a bit. Hey, what do you think of the digger, babes? What's he doing? Digger! Very interested. Wow, it's so windy. It's blowing over there. Thanks. So they're building a new house estate. Can't wait to see it when it's done. Hello. So it's Tuesday morning. I've just gone and got my click and collect, so I've got to put my shopping away, as you can see. And the baby fell asleep in the car on the way back from Tesco. So he must have slept for about 7 minutes. Honestly, it's probably less than 7 minutes away in the car. And now he normally needs a nap of 2 hours, but I've taken him up to bed and he doesn't want to sleep. Look. Look at this busy boy. Look at him. He is wido. He's had about 5 minutes and he normally needs 2 hours. So that's going to throw off the whole day because I'm supposed to be... Because now, what he'll do is play, won't you? Play, and then come lunchtime, he's going to be really tired, but I've got to meet my friend this afternoon for coffee. And that, guaranteed, will be when he drops. So I'm not sure what to do now, but I was having a rummage for my shopping. What have you found? But isn't that always the way? I think my life is just based around baby naps. What's in there? So I'm going to just make us some food, crack on with it. I'm just going to have to see how the day goes. Can't always plan, can you? This one, who is so busy at the moment, he's 19 months old and he's literally into everything. That's probably why he hasn't got time to sleep today, because he's too busy exploring and learning. Climbs into the tumble dryer earlier. I just turned round. I was drinking my coffee this morning. No, don't eat the lime. Please. I think I better go and make him some food. Ta.
Yeah, serious auto. Oh, bugger. Oh, no. I have honestly never seen anything smash into so many smithereens before in my life. There were so many pieces of glass off that. That was crazy. But I've just hoovered the floor to within an inch of his life, like I hoovered twice. And now the Dyson's run out of charge. But I've got both our shoes on, but now I'm just petrified that he's going to find a piece and cut himself. I can't believe the amount of glass that was on the floor. That is insane. Just off one jar. Look. Look at that. It's smashed into absolute smithereens. There was just glass everywhere, like I've never seen anything like it. And I'm just really concerned that there's some left. I've done what I can. Oh my gosh. Online shopping fail. I've bought ginger to make parsnip and carrot soup. And I've just bought like way too much ginger. It's like 82 pence worth. What am I going to do with all that? So I managed to get that cleaned up anyway, and now we're just eating lunch. I've done a healthy shop in Tesco's today, and I do that in inverted commas because it's not hugely healthy really, but I'm trying to eat a bit better because Rich took a photo of me yesterday and I looked really fat in it. I don't normally say that. I don't like to describe myself negatively because I'm trying to speak nicely about myself around the kids. I've been on about it for months now. I should eat better. And when baby Beb had his cow's milk protein allergy, breastfeeding him, so I stopped all dairy. I lost a couple of pounds, which I've gained all back now, so I think that's why I'm feeling sluggish and stuff. Just enjoying. Here's Masha Frey. We call them Masha Freys. That's what my girl used to call him. We've just stuck with it ever since. And he's making a good job there with his spoon. Watching Peppa Pig. This is the episode that I actually lived when we went to visit Richard's cousin, and the baby just cried all weekend. So yeah, this is our day generally. I think today's just going to be one of those days. We're going to go meet my friend in an hour, so I'm going to keep him up and he'll have to sleep in the car. This baby keeps climbing in the tumble dryer. What are you doing? What? A boo? Keeps just climbing in there and shutting the door. He's just been doing it since this morning. What are you doing? Boo. A boo. I don't think we should be sat in the tumble dryer, really. Oh, these two crack me up. Hi, so that's the end of my Tuesday. Pretty boring day really. Just did some shopping and then met my friend for a coffee. And then I had a Coke, not a coffee. But we both just spent the whole time chasing him around really. Trying to escape. The gate was broke. And now everybody's in bed apart from me, like my whole family. Although I can hear the baby coughing on the monitor, so I think he might be waking up in a minute, and I'll go into him settling back. That's the end of this day in the life, which was actually 2 days in the life, I think. And stay tuned for more days, exciting days in the life. Stay at home mum. I always think, I wonder why people watch these things, but then, like, I'm totally addicted to Daily Bumps, and all that is following around in their daily lives, so this is my life.